If your smooth power steering is giving way to a choppy feeling or is making grinding noises, it detracts from the ease of driving and can even impact driving safety. It's likely the result of degraded fluid, accumulated residue and particles from wear circulating within the power steering system. The BG Power Steering Service replaces old contaminated fluid with fresh fluid containing special conditioners designed to renew the entire power steering system with smooth and quiet operation. And it's backed by the lifetime BG protection plan at no extra charge. Ask about the BG Power Steering Service today.
BG.